Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here in my kitchen renovation. Yesterday I got a lot done. Let me show you what they've been doing. They chiseled the floor and the side here. They actually stuck in our backsplash, but we had them take it out. We'll talk about right here because the granite guy hasn't gotten back to us on the measurements that he needs. So we had them take it out. And here's the backsplash. And our tile for the floor, the kitchen floor is going to have a different tile than the living room over here and everything. And this is the tile that we picked out. Really, the kitchen is all about the green granite that we got from Brazil. So the floor, we didn't want to shuffle, but we like the natural look. So that's why we went with this. And so they just cleaned up and got this ready. They'll be doing the floor today. And then it gets close to when the granite cutter and the cabinet guy, who's also our architect for this project, he's out of town. He's out of country, actually. And he'll be back next week and they'll do a lot of measurements. So our kitchen probably won't have anything being done for maybe a few days. And then those guys do the measurements, cut, make, and then come and install. Because they want this in place. They want all this in place and then make the measurements before they start cutting or making anything, which I can understand. So that's what's going to happen today. If you're interested in more about doing a kitchen renovation here in Mexico, we are doing this project differently. We usually hire locals direct without an architect. And this time we do have an architect because the architect, the kitchen designer, helped us design the kitchen. We're not kitchen designers. We knew when we did the pool, we knew exactly what we wanted. So we were essentially a pool designer. We know pools. We're expert at pools. We did it that way, but in the kitchens, no, I know how to use a kitchen and that's about it. There's a lot of features in a kitchen, a lot of questions that we had to answer, and he was very helpful in doing all that. So he's leading this project. And so if you got any questions about any of this, go ahead and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more like this. And if you're interested in a newsletter, an expat newsletter, how to be an expat or being an expat, go over to expatrebel.com and sign up for that. It comes out every week. See you guys later. Bye.